Mastery practice question 3. If Surd 5x equals to Surd 3x plus Surd 7, find the value of x in this form. Okay, since we need to find the value of x, whichever term got x, we bring it to one side. So Surd 5x minus Surd 3x equals to Surd 7. Now, since we have x's in one side, we can factorize the x. So we'll be left with Surd 5 minus Surd 3. We take out the x lah. Right. Now we can easily make x the subject. We will get Surd 7 over Surd 5 minus Surd 3. Okay, this won't be our final answer because they want it in this form, where the denominator don't have Surd. Our denominator got Surd. So to get rid of the Surd, we have to multiply with the conjugate. Okay, conjugate means if this is Surd 5 minus Surd 3, our conjugate will be Surd 5 plus Surd 3. So if bottom you times this, top also you must times the same thing. Like that. Okay, then we expand. Surd 7 times Surd 5 is Surd 7 times 5, which is Surd 35. Surd 7 times Surd 3 will be Surd 7 times 3, 21. Okay, then the denominator, Surd 5 times Surd 5 is 5, and then Surd 5 times Surd 3 is Surd 5 times 3, which is 15. Negative Surd 3 times Surd 5 is negative, 3 times 5 is 15. Negative Surd 3 times Surd 3 is negative 3. Then Surd 15 minus Surd 15 cancels off lah. So answer will be Surd 35 plus Surd 21 over 5 minus 3 is 2. This will be our final answer.